Come test drive the 2025 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.